compound angles can be used to either add or subtract ratios of angles. So there's three of them. There's one for sine, one for cos, and one for tan. The one for sine is sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B, and then multiplied, plus cos B times sine A. The one for cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B, and for tan of A plus B you have tan A plus tan B and that's divided by 1 minus tan A times tan B. And all of these pluses can be switched with minuses, so you can have, I should really write plus minus there and plus minus there, and that's a plus, that's a minus, so I have plus minus here and I have minus plus here because these two signs have to be the opposite. Then I can have plus minus there and plus minus, so that's really bad, plus minus there, and I can have minus plus here. And these are the three compound angle formula. From here you can calculate the double angle formula, which are quite useful in calculus. So you can say, you can derive them by setting A equal to B. So if you do it for sine, you have sine A plus A is equal to sine A cos A plus cos A sine A, and then so sine A plus A is just sine 2A is equal to 2 sine A cos A, and that's the double angle formula for sine. If you do the same for cos, you get cos cos 2A is equal to cos squared A minus sine squared A, and tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan squared A, and these are the three double angle formula. If we do an example, so find 2 sine 45 cos 45 without a calculator. So you come to the double angle formula and you see it has the form of the sine one, so you can rewrite this as sine 2A, where A in this case is 45, which is sine 90, which is equal to 1. There's two additional double angle formula for cos 2A which I forgot to mention. So this is the one that I showed you, and using sine squared A plus cos squared A is 1, rearrange for sine squared A and cos squared A. If you sub both of these into here, so if you take the sine squared A1 first, you get cos 2A is equal to cos squared A minus sine squared A, which is 1 minus cos squared A, so it's going to be 1 plus cos squared A, and then add the two coses together and you get 2 cos squared A minus 1, and if you sub in the cos term, you get it is equal to cos squared A, so it's 1 minus sine squared A minus sine squared A, and that is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared A. So these are the formula for the cos 2A.